Hello everyone, myself Sarthak Shinde from DY Patil College of Engineering, Pune, and I am here to showcase the problem statement that my team has decided to show in the Innerve hackathon. So we have chosen the theme as EduTech, that is education plus tech, and how the technology can affect the education in various ways. So let's look up on the problem statement. So most online meeting platforms today are built for general purpose like business meetings or casual conversation. Also, all of the dominant meeting platforms are not designed to meet the specific needs of schools, colleges, or any educational institutions, and also where education is not their primary focus. So, they often lack specialized tools to foster engagement, simplify learning, tracking, and support real-time interaction in educational settings. Educators struggle to create a dynamic and interactive virtual classroom experience, which results in lack of engagement of the students, as well as it hardens the life of the teacher also. So Meetify is the solution for all this. So let's see how Meetify can solve all these problems. So here's the comparison between other dominant Meet apps and Meetify. So other dominant Meet apps does not have any specific system for attendance where they can check the engagement of the student and then calculate the attendance. So Meetify provides this attendance system based on the engagement, that how much the student was engaged or how much he was attentive in the meeting based on some pop-up based solutions. Also, live language translation will be a feature in Meetify, which will eliminate the language barrier of the students. Also, one of the feature that outstands Meetify is in many areas there is a network issue. So Meetify Meetify eliminates that issue by providing a replay option for the meeting. So even if the student is not able to join the meeting or having some network issue, he can just go on Meetify and replay the meeting and cover all the contents that he missed. Also, we can collaboratively learn in Meetify that multiple person can have a same slate board or a same coding environment, and also two friends or multiple friends can share a common slate board and explain to each other, which enhances the educational purposes. So let's see the architecture of Meetify. So the tech stack we have used for Meetify is React.js for frontend, Node.js for the backend, MongoDB as a database, and for the AI and ML purpose we have used Python. Also for deployment we have used Render, Atlas, and Vercel. So on the left side we can see the basic flow of Meetify. So firstly the user will log in or sign up, and the lecturer who is going to take the lecture can host a meeting and send the link to the students. The students can join the meeting and enjoy all the features that are provided in Meetify. For example, they can the host can the host has a very helpful feature, that is the attendance feature, that based on the lecture or the details that the host have mentioned, questions will be generated or pop-ups will be generated, and if the student or the person who is attending the meeting, if he clicks on the pop-up or accepts the pop-up, then his or her attendance will be calculated based on how much pop-ups he answered, which can show the engagement of the student, also how much he is attentive in the class. Also, the student can enjoy the common slateboard feature, also some group discussions, also the replay feature. Okay, so this is just a basic flow of how Meetify will work. Let's see what are the innovations or what are the innovative features that Meetify provides us. So first is the AI-powered auto notes or video summary generation. Next is the real-time language translation. Next is ensuring the presence of a person by giving pop-ups or questions in between, so that the host can identify how much the student is attentive or the user is attentive, and also can track its engagement. After that, the collaborative learning, which will be very helpful for group studies. Uh, it's the concept of a shared virtual slate for real-time coding or for real-time explanation. After that, the replay functionality, as discussed before, offline availability of meetings so no students can miss any lecture, and also inbuilt quizzes based on the meeting, so that whenever the teacher explains anything or the lecturer explains anything, instant quiz will be generated and then it will be solved by the students. Next is social and market impact of the application. Uh, as we saw during the pandemic, how much the growth of the online meeting learning or online learning has growth. In India alone, there are almost 1.5 million schools and 40,000 colleges, which are adopting the hybrid model, that is offline as well as online mode. So this could capture a 5% of market, and also the dominant online meeting platforms. means generate over 300 million daily meetings. So for education purpose, this could be very useful. At last, thank you for listening so patiently. So my team is myself, Sarthak Shinde, Saburi Nikam, and Urmila Usarman. Thank you so much.